Great, well thank you Tracy and Dr. Safer. Today's event is held in partnership with the National Mind the Store campaign and kicks off a week of action that's happening across the country, highlighting the testing results in this recent report, Buyers Beware, which found toxic BPA in 67% of food cans that were tested nationwide, including here in Maine. BPA was found in a majority of the private label canned goods tested at the two biggest grocery retailers in the United States, Kroger's and Albertsons, which is the parent company of Shaw's. In private label cans, 62% of the Kroger's products sampled and 50% of the Albertsons products sampled tested positive for BPA-based epoxy resins. And since the report release, over 100,000 people across the country have signed petitions calling on our nation's largest grocery chains to step up and help parents protect their kids from dangerous chemicals like BPA. So Shaw's and Hannaford, we ask you to come to the table, ask your parent companies to commit to adopting a policy that will ban and safely substitute BPA in canned food. Thank you very much for joining us today, and we are happy to answer any questions.
Have you spoken to anyone at Hannaford or Shaw's?
We haven't, but we plan to directly after this. We'd like to share our message with the store managers.
And do you know, are there any safe alternatives to BPA? That's a concern do you know of any safe ones that exist?
Several companies have been playing a positive leadership role in identifying safer alternatives, and there are certainly alternatives that we know for sure are not safer, like PVC-based and polystyrene-based resins. We've been asking large canned food companies for the better part of a decade now to stand up and deal with this problem of BPA. And these are companies that have a lot of power in the marketplace to demand that food packaging companies develop a safer alternative. And our critique is that they've been dragging their feet for too long. So if we had large corporate leaders like Campbell's, like Del Monte, and the major retailers that sell those products demanding that safer alternative from the supply chain, we would be able to solve this problem.